What's up guys, you're watching India Today Tech. I'm Rahul Sethi and this video I'm going to unbox the Pixel 3 XL. Google has launched their much awaited Pixel smartphones this year and again they come with a single camera. In this video we'll unbox the phone and take a look at what's inside and how is the phone like. Let's get started. So this is the box of the Google Pixel 3 XL and the back has green color similar to the power button style. It is done in green. If you take a look at the left side, you'll see the price is written at the bottom. It's 83,000 for the 64GB variant. So let's quickly get the phone out of the box, and it's quite a heavy one but a very nicely done. So this is the Google Pixel 3 XL guys. Obviously the XL version has a bigger screen compared to the Pixel 3 and the white variant looks really beautiful. At the front the screen has been laminated and comes off with the cover that was covering the phone, and the back is made out of glass, and this is very similar to that of the Pixel 2 XL. It was made out of metal and you couldn't really feel it was made out of metal. The whole of the phone was covered with plastic just to give it a very comfortable hold and grip to the phone. There are few changes. You'll notice the SIM slot has gone to the bottom side alongside the Type-C USB port, and there is no headphone jack like the Pixel 2 or the Pixel 2 XL to make the phone look really sleek. At the top goes the secondary microphone. There's nothing on the left side. On the right there's a volume rocker. It's not split into two, but the power key is done in green just to differentiate and make it like a topping on the ice cream. It has a fingerprint scanner at the back, unlike many rumors that said that there will be fingerprint scanner inside the display. At the back the Pixel 3 XL goes with a single camera, same with the Pixel 3. There's a dual tone LED flash. At the top there is a notch, but we'll take a look at that when we power it up. Right now let's go inside the box. First up you get a SIM ejector tool, very stylishly placed in a small paper. Then there's a quick start guide, a Team Pixel sticker and some other regulatory information. Okay, so next you get an earphone inside the box that has a Type-C connector. These are very similar to what you get on the iPhones, but they have a tug inside so they don't fall off when you are running or moving around too fast. Also it has a microphone and there are some buttons on it as well. So let's quickly take it out and take a look at that. The microphone, as you can see, is not really visible, and so are the volume keys. They are not visible and you only see a black dot at the center, but that is what the Google phones are all about. They're all about the design, like many other premium devices. Next up you get a Type-C to Type-C USB cable. So you will need a connector to connect it to your PC if it doesn't have a Type-C USB port. Again, a good length and good quality cable you get with the phone. Then there's a connector that allows you to attach a USB or a pen drive to the phone and directly access data from it. Something similar to what you get on the premium Galaxy smartphones as well. Now next there is something that Apple has stopped bundling with their smartphones, and this is a Type-C USB to a headphone jack converter. So you can attach normal headphones with the Google Pixel 3 XL and you don't need to pay extra for that. Next there is another box and that surely has an adapter. Let's take a look at the power rating. So it has a 9 volt 2 ampere of output rating, which means it's an 18 watt adapter. So it surely supports quick charge that the Google Pixel 3 comes with. Alright, so now let's take a look at the phone. The Pixel 3 XL comes with dual cameras at the front, and you'll see the notch is smaller than many other Android phones and manages to pack the earpiece, 2 cameras and other sensors as well. But there is no IR sensor to aid for face recognition. At the bottom as well there is a speaker, and combined with the earpiece it functions as a stereo speaker, something that was present on the Pixel 2 as well. But overall you'll see the phone is immaculately designed and there are many things that are easy to miss. Anyways, let's pull out the SIM tray at the bottom, and you'll see it has only single slot to add SIM 1 and there's no provision to expand the storage or add SIM 2. But anyways, the best thing about the Pixels have been their software. Google puts a lot of artificial intelligence based algorithms with its device, and this one comes with Android P out of the box. So there are gonna be a lot of new features and stuff. I mean, Google is so confident about its software that it says it won't need to use dual cameras and it can create the same effect with all those software algorithms. Anyways, this is how the Google Pixel 3 XL looks like when it boots up. You'll see the Android 9 Pie has a lot of features. For example, the navigation system is all changed. You won't find any navigation keys at the bottom. To get the app drawer, you need to slide from the bottom, and a small slide from the bottom also gets you the recent apps. The drop down menu also has a lot of changes, although they are mostly facial, and you would recognize that most of the arrangement is same, only the toggles and the color scheme has a slight upgrade. Also, you will see the lock screen gets a new update, and you can also add graphics to it, and this can be seen in the settings menu as well. Everything from the icons to the look and feel of the settings menu has changed. If you take a look at the security section, you'll see Google is calling the fingerprint as Pixel Imprint, and let's quickly set it up and see how fast it is, although I'm sure it must be as fast as what we saw on the Pixel 2 XL, and I'm eager to see if it's any faster. So the fingerprint speed and accuracy is quite nice, and I also get a haptic feedback which is very subtle, and you'll also notice that there is no face recognition feature on the phone. Anyways, let's take a look at the front camera and the rear camera quality now. You'll see Google attains the portrait mode from the single camera only, and it uses all the software and AI algorithms to do that. So you'll notice the photo is still being processed, which shows that Google has its own onboard processing algorithms to make the photo look better. And now it's done, and this is how the photo looks like. And there was no beautification mode on when I clicked the photo, but you'll see the details are well preserved. In this kind of situation that has very low light, the Pixel 3 XL takes great amount of details, which is quite nice. Also, let's take a photo in the portrait mode and see how the background blur on the phone works. So this also takes a little processing time, and you get two options. One is without background blur and another giving you the background blur, and you'll see the details are also preserved right now. And this is what you will love about the Pixel 3 XL. I mean, in this kind of light and with a single front camera, you'll see the background blur that the phone can capture is pretty nice. The object outlines are very clearly visible, and the object separation also is pretty nice. Here are some of the photos taken from the rear camera. You'll see the portrait mode works as beautiful as it did on the Pixel 2 XL, and even in low light situations you get great portrait shots. There is a new feature on the Pixel 3 XL that takes a photo before and after you click a photo, so that you can select the right shot even if the shot you took kind of got blurred because of a shake motion. So this is the Pixel 3 XL, guys. Great display and great camera quality, though it feels kind of slippery. The back is glass and is frosted halfway so that it doesn't feel slippery at all, but anyhow, that is what the phone feels like right now. We'll be coming up with our full review, so stay tuned and subscribe to our channel for more on technology, smartphones and other gadgets like this. I'll see you in the next one.